What are you doing, Matty? Are you posing? But you have to look as well. You have to look. Look. Hello, Mama Africa. How are you? I'm feeling fine, and I hope you're fine too. Hello, Mama Africa. How are you? Hello, guys. Today I will be showing you 5 quick and easy way to do head wraps. So I'm in my natural state. Yesterday I took the extensions out of my hair. This is normally the state of my hair before I decide to wrap it. So this is the first one, and it's already folded in 2. And this style is one of the styles that I mostly wear on a daily basis. Matty, stop it. If I don't really know what to do with my hair. Okay, so I just kind of twirl it up to one side. So in this case, it's my left hand side, and I just tie it. I tie it twice, and then what's out, I tend to just push it under what's already there. And this is my first one. What do you think, Matty? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you approve?
Yeah.
Matty approves. Okay. Back. So this is the...
Down.
I rarely do this style, mind you, but it is a style that you can work with. And then I tend to just twirl it and fold. I don't think this style fits me, and that's why I rarely do this one. My head is already long, so if you're gonna do a style that basically makes your head look even longer, then you know it's not a style for you.
It's a spot.
Let me ask Matty. Do you like this, Mateo? Do you like this style? Do you like this one?
No.
No? Yeah, but I rarely wear this style because it doesn't really suit me, and that's my opinion. It's just not for my face or head shape. It's really not. But yes, this is style number 2. Let me move on to the other one. So this is head wrap number 3. I always fold it in 2. And I'm going to... So sometimes, especially when it's cold, say for example, I'm wearing this head wrap, sometimes I would just tie it at the back and still use it as a scarf. Like this. I mean, you can't really tell. So sometimes I would use it. Matty, you are literally in the video. I would use it as a scarf like this, or sometimes I just put both of them on one side like this and just twirl it over. Matty, like that. And at times, I tend to do all the wrapping at the back. So I just, hold on. It's probably harder to do the head wrap with a scarf that is as thick as this one, but sometimes you see how the back is. This is another style. I mean, it's hard for me to show you guys all the styles because Matty is literally sitting right in my view. He doesn't want to move, but that's okay. As long as you're seeing the styles, then that's fine. Okay, so this, okay, so I'll just tie this. I always struggle with this one because it is so short. I normally use an elastic band on this one, Ugh, okay. So here I have a hairband, and because the scarf is short, I'm just going to put it over it. I need to look in the mirror for this one. And then I just tuck it in wherever I can tuck it, and I tuck it in so that it doesn't look weird. Matty, leave it. Oh.
I'm little.
You are little.
I'm not little. Now I'm big.
And this is style number 4.
No. This. I need to see you.
Well, Matty, can I just show the style? Can I show the style, please?
No way.
Okay. Do you want to sit here?
Yes.
Okay, so this is style number 4. So as you can see, it's quite similar to the first style, but this comes to the right hand side, and I use an elastic band to like get it together at the front, and then I just basically fix it to however it looks great. I mean, hello. So this other style that I'm going to show you guys, I might want to take a photo of this. Matty, let me take a photo. Matty, let me take a photo. Matty. This other wrap, there's nothing special about it. When I'm going to my bed, I tend to go to bed with, either a Taliban cover up, but if not, this next wrap is my go-to. Hold on. I'm folding this one twice because it's quite long. So I fold it and then just tie it at the back, and then I just twiddle this around.
I didn't want to.
Why are you doing all the wrong things today? I'm doing the video. Can't you just allow me to breathe? Why are you beating me up? I thought you said you wanted to help mommy. Okay. So I just twiddle it around and bring it back to square one, and then just tuck it under at the back. And there you have it. Nighttime head wrap. Yep, this is it. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and I do hope that this have taught you how to do simple head wraps, because even when I was in Jamaica, it was the norm for me. If I was going anywhere and my hair wasn't combed, I would naturally just wrap something around looking like a Taliban woman, and the Rasta guys would always basically hail me as if I'm a Rasta, and I'm like, Joe. My sister would always laugh. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, and I do hope that you've learned how to wrap your hair. It's really easy to do it. Matty is acting up. See you in the next video, guys.